How to fix Shopify failed to load the page. Getting the error, failed to load the page on Shopify? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to fix it so you can get back to running your store. Section 1, refresh and reopen. First things first, refresh the page. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. Still not working? Close the tab or browser completely and open it again. This alone fixes the issue for many users. Section 2, clear cache and cookies. If the problem continues, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Old data can sometimes interfere with Shopify loading properly. Go to your browser settings, clear cache, and restart your browser. Section 3, try another browser or device. Still stuck? Open Shopify in a different browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, or switch to another device to see if the issue is browser-specific. Sometimes browser extensions or outdated versions can block content from loading. Section 4, check Internet and Shopify status. Make sure your internet connection is stable. You can also visit status.shopify.com to check if Shopify is having server issues. If Shopify is down, you'll just need to wait. It's not a problem on your end. Section 5, contact support if needed. If none of these steps work, contact Shopify support through live chat or email. They can help check your store's backend for any deeper issues. And that's how to fix the failed to load the page error on Shopify. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Drop a comment if you're still having trouble. I'll try to help.